How's it going, guys? I just wanted to show you how finding the bottom on these altcoins can be really tedious. So this is Blur on its oldest historical chart, but just to give you an idea of what it took to find that we're at the 886 here. So if you start off just on a normal time frame, okay, and so we're taking the bottom. So we're going to take this bottom right here up to this top. Okay, you can see that it shows that we're not at the very bottom right here. Okay, and so anytime we're pulling from left to right, unless we're like on a low time frame, you're not able to see the pivot point on the top that you want. So it looks normal right here, you know, but you can see that we haven't yet reached it. So you check it with log mode, and you're like, okay, maybe we're at the it looks like we're at the 618 right here, right? Well, unless you can go down to lower time frames, which you can't. So let's go like the 5-minute chart and see. So even having premium on TradingView, going over to try to establish your pivot points, you get this error right here. You see? Oops, sorry. This error right here. See, it'll say 20,000 bars is the limit, blah, blah, blah. So what you need to do is go to the 1-minute chart. Right, 1 minute completely by itself. Okay, or as far as you can go, just to look. So if you can't get 1 minute, then go over as far as possible. It'll let you start from the very start to where you are. Okay, so that's not the 3 minute. 5 minute may give it to us. Okay, so we have it on the 15, but can we get it on the 5? And we're not able to get, okay, so 15 is the lowest we can go. Maybe 10, but let's just go with 15. So let me show you this pivot right here. So you can see, now we see this candle. We see the top is actually, we can pull from this low to that top. And that top is the highest 1.8639. So what I like to do is just take our bottom, which here it is, right there. Okay, and all you gotta do is come over, click your little arrow. Remember that 1.8639. Okay. Trying to get over do a 30-minute chart too. All you gotta do is this. Hit your coordinates. 1.8369. There we have it. So unless we zoom in that time frame, you weren't able to see that. Now we have a perfect long right here. You can already see it's already bounced. And so most people will be like, well, what? It wasn't even at its lowest. Well, you have to really, really zoom in and find out. So this is the bottom of the 836 right here. And you can see we already had a swing failure at this level once already. So, and there we are, back tested again, going up. So little pro tips there.